please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling line.
Bling bling. Bling bling.
Bling line, hello.
You're getting better at this. Hello, ma'am.
8th time lucky. Welcome to it. Welcome to Bling Line, guys. If it's your first time here, welcome. This one is just for you. If you send us a message.
Yeah.
Or what do they call them? A comment.
A comment.
The chances of it being read on Bling Line are extremely high.
Correct. Especially if he comment, it says Nqondo. I'm joking. It doesn't matter. There's a random selection of comments and you might find yourself up in this piece. So yeah, thank you very much for the comments up until this point. Likes, the shares, the follows, the subs. Yonkinto, siyabulela. This one is for you.
26,000 subs. Poo, 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 poo.
Oh, shucks.
What?
Oh, I don't know. It's a lot.
I know, it happened so quickly. It took like 2 weeks from 25 to 26. Thanks, guys. Thank you also for just like letting your people know, your boyfriends, your situationships, your
relatives, parents, colleagues,
your friends, and your colleagues. Word of mouth, nyani sayibulela.
Yeah,
guys.
No, shout out, guys. You've been doing a phenomenal job. Masingabisayeka ke masiqhubeke ngolo hlobo.
Onwards.
Yes. Watch on Tupac, what until the end of time.
Till the end of time.
Oh, I'm so surprised you know that song.
Why? I taught you hip hop.
Unyanisile mfana yo. Kodwa sasimane sixabana umane uphoza, urewind ubhale, pause urewind ubhale sixabane kunqanda abazali. Talitha umntana. Ndibe ningafuna uva nix mina.
Ufuna uva ntoni actually?
Ufuna umamela uBen 10 kaloku.
That's wild times. Talita umdana. Also, two of my least favorite words. Sentence. My least favorite sentence.
When they come to after each other.
Oh. Take me, Lord. If you know, you know. Let's get into it. I'll start this one off with I am Lee. So. 87. Indoda Aikali, mostly in the black community, has indeed killed a lot of men. Maybe not literally, but dead from the inside. One of the top contributing factors to mental health issues in men is a result of not crying. When you cry, you release a lot of emotions. You are not weak. I'm not talking about men who cry to cover their lies. Okay, I'm a man.
I'm a Mex, he will always feature for sure.
But this is the thing. Indoda iyakwazi ukhala to cover their lies, but they can't cry for real things.
They can. Very often, it's the ones that can conjure the tears that also can cry for real things.
Wow. You are an
But you must remember, kaloku, not everyone cries to cover up your lies. So thina bantu bangakhaliyo to cover up our lies banzima for ukhala for thina.
Oh, okay. So the people who can cry to cover their lies, then it's easier for them to cry in any situation.
Hey, man, guys, please let us know in the comments. Yeah, but to your point, Liso, yeah, very much. I think, I don't know, okay, I guess it depends on where you are, and in terms of like your surroundings, your environment, who you hang around with, etc., that determines the ease in crying and not crying, and the acceptability that you find in crying and not crying.
No, 100%.
Personally, nakulilela uncame mina.
Come nice.
Hayi ngamba mayisuka phakho. Akhondo endingayifuniyo mina njengogalando kuthiwa suffer inside. I don't subscribe to that.
Yeah.
I don't think anyone should. There's absolutely no merit in suffering in silence and suffering inside.
No, and there's no strength in it either.
At all.
Yeah.
At all. So yeah, definitely. And yani, I think more than the millions or the thousands or the tens of thousands of men who have been killed by Indoda Aikali. Literally, we must take that number and I don't know, multiply it by how much to know that how many have died on the inside, even though they are still walking around amongst us.
Which is
And,
why
yeah.
as awkward because they did on the inside.
Yeah, I understand. So yeah, very, very important point. I think a lot still needs to be done in terms of removing that stigma. Uba indoda ekhale.
I was talking to a friend of mine last week and he said, Kaskakali. And I was like, oh, let's give him, Chalam. I can't do it anymore, but I feel like I want to do it. But it was killed in me the same thing into yoba ingwengwe elilayo. But he also said that when he can cry though is for gratitude. So when he's
Tears
like,
of joy.
well, specifically gratitude. When, someone does something really amazing for him or whatever, then it comes very quickly. And I'm like, that's wild also because...
Yeah, that's so cool. I mean, that's precious.
It is very precious, but it's also a little bit sad, that umuntu uyazazi ba uyabawela ulila, but akakwazi.
Yeah.
How do you bring that back?
Hey, funny, I guess just like anything else, but also it feels wrong to say practice. Well, that's exactly what I was going to say. It always feels wrong to say that. I don't know. And maybe crying won't. Maybe it's an outlet. Maybe there's another outlet.
Yeah, maybe
that a
crying
person
is
can
not
find.
the only one.
It definitely isn't.
Yeah.
So I think, what are your outlets, guys? Like, what do you guys look at and what do you guys like use as outlets? Let me put it like that. To be very interesting. I know with other people it's like journaling. With other people it's like talking. I will talk. I'm like problem shared is a problem halved. I believe in that. But what are your guys' outlets?
Yeah. Lastly on this, he did though say that he has seen that he's now much quicker to anger, and he doesn't know if it's as a result of not letting go of stuff, but he thinks it is, and that makes him like extremely worried. And I'm like, that's very worrying.
Yeah, it's not having that outlet whereby if besizawuthi maninike umzekelo, if besizawuthi ukuthi your inantsika yakho your bucket is this big.
Yeah.
Now the problem is the more you don't let things out, the less top room you have for patience, for not getting angry, etc. So if you are here, then uyakhawuleza ufika up. Whereas if you are here, then it takes you longer.
Yeah, and you have to keep taking things out of the bucket for that space.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Wow. That's how I understand it, at least. Thank you so much for that comment, Liso.
I am Lee.
Yeah, Zamatwama. Wes, I'm on sick leave and woke up looking for this episode. And I watch on Spotify on Tuesday and again on Fridays on YouTube. You, Bani? What's the word? No, what's the word?
YouTube.
YouTube. YouTube.
What are you asking me?
What's the word?
YouTube.
Is the word TSH?
No, CH. YouTube.
Yeah, man. No. Okay. What day is it today?
Tuesday.
Oh, YouTube. What? Default. YouTube.
You know
that's American.
YouTube.
Okay.
YouTube. YouTube. Now it sounds foreign in my head.
Let's just stick to Spotify. That's easy to pronounce. Okay, sorry. Uti and I watch on Spotify on Tuesday and again on Fridays on YT. Pofu, not me dreaming about being invited on the podcast. I think it's because
the brain is a terrible thing to waste. Your mind will play funny games on you, hey. It's so wild. Also, what does it know to what to hold on to? Because it needs those thingileyo. Exactly. Okay, let's replay it and make it a bit more fun.
Yeah. That's actually quite interesting in terms of what your brain selects for you to dream about. Because you dream about the thing that you think about the last 40 minutes before you sleep. Ooh, la la. Never. On a Sunday, son. Abantu abaxabanayo baphendula nayo ku-TikTok. Yeah, okay, Zama.
Thanks for
cool.
that, Zama. Also, thanks for watching on both platforms. That's amazing.
100%. Yeah, we hope you feel better already.
I'm sure.
If you don't feel better yet, go see a doctor, please. Thank you.
Utu Tanya. Utu Tanya Mfingwana. This reminds me of the trend on TikTok recently where guys call their friends to say goodnight. I love you. The friend on the other side is always worried. Please check it out. It speaks greatly on the conversation that Zuko is talking about. There is no space for guys to speak about their feelings to each other without being weird or funny. I've been seeing that trend, and I mean, it's an over-exaggeration because now as a girl, I'm so funny like good night, obviously. So it'd be awkward if a friend of mine called me and said, "I can't do good night."
Yeah, whoopee.
Yeah, whoopee. Yeah,
fair question.
No, 100%. But it's funny to see like the older guys doing it and how their friends respond. It's like a complete like, what's wrong with you, mate? I love you. I'm trying to meet you.
Yeah.
But it's funny to see.
Yeah, 100%. I think the rest of that comment says, it speaks greatly on the conversation that Zuko is talking about. There's no space for guys to speak about their feelings to each other without being weird or funny. Yeah, and I think balekile man into yoba sikwazi uzi-expressa also siye kukoyika into esingayaziyo because asiyazi lento siyoyikayo, but it seems like ikhona.
So Yika is safe space for you. Never really. I mean, yes, you could. Like, we've been friends for 15 years, but I don't know if all of a sudden I started becoming like emotional, how you would...
How I deal with you becoming human.
Yeah.
Heavy. Yeah, maybe then I shouldn't be your friend. Huh?
Yeah, but kaloku nendo zakho now where you've got your own traumas and triggers and
guys, masiqheliseni uthetha man.
Do you say I love you to your friends?
Some of them. What?
I love you guys.
Because kalozabacho nabo.
Oh, so they have to do it first?
No, they don't have to do it first, but I'm just saying to some of them. Because if friendships are fun.
100%, that's what I'm saying. So there's a safe space there that is held for you, that you feel comfortable to say that in.
No, not even. I'm just like, because yamthanda lo mthetha. And ndizamxelela. The end of the day. Asuba nindithandi nina nizonke ezinye ibras yabo. But
all right, let's move on to the next one.
I'd love to know how we got about to getting to the I love you. Who said I love you first? There's a TikTok challenge. Who said I love you first?
All right. Who's that? Is that you?
Yeah. I know.
Apothecary Akona.
Akhona uthi za 199 sakhubeka qoba sakhubeka khona wathi iwa wasibuyisa ndibhatala i-TV license, guys. I'm not lying. Ningu Generations season 1 only with impactful conversation and life-shifting stories. Thank you so much for that. Wasti cheese, wasti wambu, ke 199. Siyabulela khona man. You've made us people amongst other people.
Thank you. That was really kind of
That's
you.
crazy,
Honestly.
bro. That's $200 though.
I know. I'm like, yo, that's crazy. But engose guys is yanceda ezimali zenu for real.
Yeah.
Ziyapecha kwindawo ezifuna zipeche kuyo. And we really, really, really absolutely appreciate it.
100%. So total 99 again, that 100.
99.99.
There we go. And then next up we have Akona Poswayo. Boo 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 boo. Hey. Yeah, I'm gonna get this one because it's just 35 rand. Thanks. That's crazy. That is crazy.
Straight to the point. We get it. It's the message received. We understand.
Yeah. And Akona, Chu from the Pininging. Oh, go I take Chu. So Akona, thank you so much, man. We see you, we recognize you, we appreciate you. Thank you very much.
Ulwa says, I have a premium YouTube account. Kodwa, how did I say it?
I don't know.
I said YouTube. I have a premium YouTube account. Kodwa, here I am, kwa sporty. Don't you take it, please? I can't wait for you guys, your guys' episodes. Inabo crackland. I salute you for choosing not to have kids at this time. Single parenting isn't ideal. Like Utatundima, I am for my kids something I desired but never saw or got. Oh, I am for my kids something that I've desired but never got. You work on yourself to be better for them. Love this episode. Such a roller coaster, okay? Siyahleka, si emotional, siyakhula. See you on the 15th. Dithandazela i-babysitter ticket lona sele reserved.
Nice one. That's what we call moving in faith. Ungathandaza ubungasukumi ngapha. So shout out to you for that. See you on the 15th. Absolutely can't wait. It's going to
can't
be
wait to meet you.
phenomenal. So yeah, we'll see you then. And what else did you say? Single parenting isn't ideal. I am for my kids. I like in this comment, I am for my kids something that I desired but never saw God. I think very often we get stuck in the environment bubble where we feel like we don't have an option but to repeat what we've seen growing up. But we can definitely break out of that. You can definitely be the people that we wish we had, which I think really, really matters. Not only for the people that we're doing it for, in terms of you doing it for your kids, but you're doing it for yourself first.
Also.
So it definitely counts for something. And thank you so much for leaning into that and doing that hard work, because that is super hard work.
No, 100%.
Yeah.
It does take a whole lot of just knowing yourself also, and knowing the things that you needed, or the things that you would have liked, and all of that, to make life a little easier for you. So it's super, I think, selfless as well to then make it a mindful thing to practice.
Nice work. Sikubona nge-15 ngelwa. Nsiker Kuba. Wahla. 14 rand. Thanks. Nginomona and ngiyi-first daughter. So akubukwe mina ke. Manje no 14 rand wami. And siza kubuka ke no sibuke wena as we speak.
Okay, sibuke wena ke nsikero. Ayiba.
Kaphakamutai Ntombi.
Thank you so much, man. That's super sweet. Yo, every cent counts, as you well know. Economy yetu. And ke ezimali ziyopetha pha ku-sibling thing nazo.
That's okay. 100%.
Thank you so much for that. We really appreciate it.
Absolutely. I mean, there's a very great Afrikaans saying that says, Biki Biki Mark Mier.
In Zulu,
in English, brick by brick. There we go. Thank you so much.
Uti ululeka lakala. Lulu lekalaka. Oh, ululu lekalaka. I can definitely relate to when you are talking about not knowing the different channels for boy children to express themselves. I'm 33 and I went to a school where siblings would say, I love you. And I never experienced that in my own family. And I remember when I started saying I love you to my siblings, it was awkward at first, but saying it repeatedly, and like Sis Tally said, making conscious effort also shifted their minds. And now it's a norm. And we say we love each other whenever we send text and during phone calls. That's cute, man. And this is the thing, and this is the thing you started. And yes, it was awkward, as you say, but it kept on going, because into can be awkward, but if it's a good thing, say
bad thing.
Say bad thing.
Yeah, correct. And I think that just using that thinking as well of saying, so might as well go through the awkward stage if you know right that you feel like is really building into your life and nika something.
You know, I wonder, way back in the Disney.
Yeah.
Ngosahle sodwa bengekafika amabhulu and stuff. Were we saying which is why I'm wondering.
Okay.
Like, sasithetha into yoba ndiyakuthanda. Like the I love you that we use so regularly. Like as Xhosa people, for instance, or just as black people. Sasithetha into yoba ndiyakuthanda ke mfondini.
Like a machita?
No, like family members. Like brothers and sisters, like moms, dads.
Saschata. Saschata. Kwakuthandana emtshatweni.
No.
I'm
asking about the words.
Yeah, so walk with me. Saschata. Ne? Sasithandana. So in that, it was we express why love between indoda ne gang. Yabo. Now, then they have kids. Then I'm sure I'm sure. Even though we tend to express more actions than in words.
Yeah.
As abantu bebala.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking about, yes, some things are foreign to us because they haven't been into that has been passed down because it hasn't been happening in the way, in the Western way.
Ubambane umakhulu notamkhulu bebambene ngezandla more.
Do you know what I'm saying? So I feel like our definitions of love are so different in that way, or at least the way in which we express them.
Yeah.
As abantu abamnyama, which is why they feel the Western ideas sometimes tend to feel a little foreign.
You think so?
I think so.
I mean, kunini ke for nini usa practice Western ngoba still is foreign nanje.
Kaloku as practice yonke into Western, but ezinye izinto siyaziqala as we go along, as we are evolving.
Siqale late ke le. Into sikhawuleza sayiqala ziyi-whiskey nendoni ihaple hayi sana yayi 5 minutes. Yeah, you understand? That's why I'm saying, we also choose Pofke just like anything else, right? Into wrong or ifundeka go kunento right.
Exactly.
I wonder what causes that also.
Yeah, that's also an interesting topic. Why would izinto wrong or
we ask us afundi divorce, ne break up, ne no.
Because right here are difficult. That's why.
It's all difficult, wrong bro.
Or easy. No, it wrong or easy.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
You break up or easy things.
Oh, no.
Working on a relationship or tough times.
No, but heartbreak fundin.
Kaloku xa ndigrand mna ndifuna ulahla wena andizoba na heartbreak ndizoba grand mna. Heartbreak yeah.
No, but it's still so to lose someone noba bekumosha because mumthanda. Yo, andiyazi man. It's just that I guess it's that human nature thing of just being drawn to the bad stuff, which is so bad for us. It just never works out nicely. But here we
talking
are.
About bad stuff, I saw yesterday a news bulletin in England. I think it's in England, where they were saying that they were getting rid of the chuffs that you can throw away.
Yeah, the vape.
Yeah, not getting rid of all those vapes.
Yeah.
Not allowed anymore. And the number one reason was so that children don't do it. But also the secondary reason was because of they like getting rid of like 8 million a month or whatever. Because those things aren't disposed of correctly. And I'm like, geez, if that's the reason, fine. But
the reason is that Japoluta. No one cares about health.
I know. It makes me
healthy.
So sad.
Not health, bro. You know, to the health. Because I'm like, also health, I want after 20 years. Can't. And it's a huge market. The unhealthy people, huge market.
Yeah.
Huge. Billions of dollars.
All right. Well, let's move on.
Yeah. Ukhanyi Mandwana uti, I saw Putzuko at Market Theatre, but was too shy to greet. I actually want to ask if you enjoyed the show. What do you guys think about theatre?
What were you watching?
I can't remember now.
Wasn't this like now?
Yeah. Life it. Kuchel theatre,
You have done so much more theatre than I have this year.
Doc, do you know that I've been to like 6 theatre shows this year.
Oh, that's crazy.
I'm not talking about no yakdala. 6, madam, yayithanda theatre. So, ndilapha. I've got a confession. Of the 6 theatre shows that I've been to, benqala uphuma phansi kom ndiyayigeta.
What do you mean?
Ndilakaphuma then andiyigethi mna lewe asana sendilapha ke bantu yafuna bangani ndiyawuthi ngekho. But otherwise andiyigethi. This one andiphume ndithetha sana. Yeah, you know, especially when, and then I get it theatre, because what it does is that it's someone telling a story from their perspective. Tinga sampori. Tabuza ikakadi ukuthi Buddha, how did you find it? Lovely first year. I think, man, you know the thing about the theatre. Kosi mama ndeze umntu. Kamuharabatu. I don't remember what I was watching, but it was around like Lika Fears Must Fall.
Oh, okay.
And it was that kind of setting, a universe. It's not rain. It's not rain. University. It's not rainy. And then the characters was the executive of the board, Eskolweni, who was an old white guy who'd lived through apartheid, and then there was that guy, very briefly, that guy had a domestic worker who used to work for him, and now the daughter is in the university. Obviously, the daughter, he head off his students, fighter of Fears Must Fall.
Oh, conflict.
Yeah, I understand. And then there was a lot of dynamics, and then he had like a colored wife. So Nakona, there was a thing there, and then there was another professor, you know, who was in Zimbabwe. So also kind of, and just getting to see how everyone's perspective.
That's cool.
Yeah, that was
cool.
That was really, really cool. I really enjoyed it. I don't know why I'm proud of myself.
You're getting better. Next time was a weekend.
Next time.
Once you unlock that part of your brain.
Really?
Yeah, then it's unlocked forever.
Yeah. How do you feel about theater?
Oh, lovely. I think theater is amazing. It's so moving for me. What a real craft, man. To be able to be on a stage and do a whole thing for like an hour and a half without unkluva is firstly ridiculous.
Really?
Yes.
I was looking at Nyana, I was looking at those actors, and I was just like, this is wild. Easily 4 or 5 minutes for you're not having a normal conversation. You're talking about all these jargon terms and all this stuff.
Yeah, so I think it's one of the most amazing art forms in the space, in the acting space at least.
Yeah.
And it always moves me. I'm always moved by it, you know, emotionally. TV doesn't move me often, but theater always does. And it's just the discipline it takes to also move. There's lots of theater shows, lots of movement, lots of singing, lots of, you know, and
doing a lot of things.
That's crazy. For me, I'm always just like, I'm trying. I theater production. I want state theater.
Actor. State theater Pitori. Tiacho masasiyobukela wena ne? Wasasiyobukela wena Pitori.
Really?
Where yindo we girls. Yeah. And
after that, I was like, I don't think I could ever do this again.
Really? Why?
Because it takes so long for you to prep for that thing in the first place.
For about your 3150s, I feel like it's so underpriced in the theater.
No,
I'm not saying Chintani price, but I'm just saying.
But for the work put in, yes, you know, it's almost the poor man's sport in that respect, in the respect of imali that you even get paid for it compared to television, definitely. But I think it's the most rewarding.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's really, you get to practice your craft.
Yeah.
So Kanye, that's what we think of theater. Please, man, next time, man, okay, no one
He will definitely be nice to you. Don't worry about that.
Sure, I met someone actually in the line when we were getting in. I think his name was Neo. And we had like a very nice conversation. So shout out to you, my guy. And you top runner. I ran, just. You know, but I just in their bars. Upumi Uti, as a woman with no kids yet, my dad created a different narrative for me when it comes to men. That indota iyakhala. That's something I'd like my future son to learn. My dad was not scared to express how he felt and would even cry while at it. Society has branded Amadota Akhalayo as weak, but because I grew up seeing a different side, I see it as a strength. That they're able to be vulnerable, which also helps them to bottle things up. Ngoba eza emotions manifest in different ways. Abengena outlet. Thank you.
Not to bottle things up.
Thank you, Pumi. Thank you, Blings. I'm reading a lot better than I was in the beginning of the series. And that's as a result of repetition.
Oh, really? Just reading?
The fact that I'm reading
out loud
for 30 minutes every week, or less than 30 minutes, reading out loud. Crazy.
That's amazing.
That's wild. But not to take away from your point, Pumi. Shout out to Itaima, man.
Firstly.
Yeah, shout out to Itaima. Massive shout out. Indote Matutin. Itaima yako, I don't even feel like it's right, but man, Itaima yomli indote Matutin. It feels weird. But yeah, I think the branding has been completely off. And it's at a point now where it needs a massive rebrand.
Yeah.
In terms of being able to doing it in front of your kids, man. Sure. Yeah, that's quite something.
No, that definitely is something, especially because we funde piwena londo. You know, as the dad, like how was it treated when you were a kid?
Yeah.
So a big shout out to your dad as well, Pumi.
Yeah.
And hopefully when you got your little ones, you can instill that safety in them as well.
Yeah, and I think it's not, I don't think it's anything more than, I don't think it's about teaching them how to cry more than it's just about, it's okay.
Yeah,
just creating the environment,
yes.
Because Umdu will naturally do what it is that comes first to them in terms of an outlet.
Yeah.
And they stop doing it because baye bancane.
Yes.
So I think, yeah, in as much as everyone's kind of got their own personality, it's about creating a safe environment.
Yep.
Yeah, no, absolutely.
Thanks for that, Pumi.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Tsulufelo MK says, when ladies say men are dogs, I always say we need to stop saying such. And the fact that there were 3,000 men gathering and more others gathering elsewhere seeking light is proof enough that there are still good men out there, imperfect as they are.
Absolutely. And yeah. Men are dogs.
Of course. I tandeki.
Come to Tanda, ne?
No. What to be landugard with a man?
Yeah, you know what I mean. But yeah, I think that statement on its own for me, like it oh. If you
get treated like a thief, you start acting like a thief.
Yeah.
You get told you're a thief all the time. You get treated like one. You might as well be one.
Yeah.
So there's no expectations from you. So if I say men are dogs and then you act like a dog, then it's like, oh, okay, but we chill on Jay, so there's no surprises here, right?
Yeah, I think very, very dangerous statements.
No, 100%.
Yeah, and obviously we can't blame the statement for people behaving the way that they are behaving.
No.
There's definitely accountability. There's definitely decisions that are made. But it doesn't help.
No,
I don't think
help. No, because there are still good people who can get affected by this statement in a negative way.
Correct.
Yeah.
No, 100%. So shout out Sulu. Thank you for that. We appreciate it. As imperfect as we are.
Bang
Engeba, Joey Nkomo, which I'm assuming supposed to be
Jolinko.
yes, Joey Nkomo. Bandase, I subscribed. I subscribed a while ago because my daughter was like, "Hayibo no zala." Like why ungeka subscribe? Don't ask me. Silapa wethu. My living parent is also Madlamini, my daughter's favorite Glammy. So ke ileway. Kanenze lando ka join. Ke bandase. So we pay 10 rand, 30 rand, 60 rand, 100 rand. City badges. You want badges? For time spent as members. Yabo Klando yoni xhasa ningadinwa. Thanks Kebo Zizi and Light.
Love and love.
Sbane. Thank you for that. Yeah, man. Hey, kaloku technology ilando ya subscribe ba ubani bakwazi subscribe
on which platform?
To channel. I think it's a YouTube thing. Because of subscriber be super thanks uyazi ba community yakho ya subscriber monthly ba ikwazi ukusupporta kwenze ba ungadinwa
yavakala.
And I think it's something that we might need to look into and see just kind of like how it works, figure out how it works, because what I've been noticing a lot is that nyani bra, like community yethu is really just like sanu senza week siyafuna uthumela imali, give us the means. So, and I mean 26,000 people na fucking 10 rand no. That's a quarter of a bar.
100%, and then we can go to Cape
That
Town.
is why
then we can go to the Eastern Cape. Hey, what show me? Then we can go see you.
Kota million. Aningenyama line.
He's a fella before the end of the year.
Ndifika sendibuye sendimthuqwasa ndicela amaxolo.
Apology videos loading. Oh no. Apology videos are the worst. Especially when you see the video. Before the person does the apology, where this is begging for an apology.
Yes, correct.
Then I never believe anyone's apology video. I'm always just like, okay, thanks, ma'am. And thanks for subscribing finally. And also a big shout out to your daughter for putting you in the right place. Z Bell says, y'all are getting me through a broken heart right now.
Yo.
I haven't even listened yet, but I know I'm about to forget for about an hour at least.
Yo.
Love you loads. Akho ndirubisa njengebroken heart sana engathi awubambuyeka apha.
Indole ipambanisayo.
I don't know.
I really iyafuna ukijongwe lana.
But the funny thing is that after like the last heartbreak, ansayikhumbula binjani. Like, there's no part of me that remembers. I know it was bad in my head. I'm like, yo, it wasn't a good time. But there's no part of me that remembers how bad it really
body
was.
Body and pain. It's how your body and your mind protect you. Your mind does not remember pain. You might remember that it was painful.
Yes.
Your mind does not remember.
True.
That's why childbirth.
That's why people do it over and over again. Yes, 100%.
Your body
because
does
there's no way if you fully remembered that, you wouldn't do it again.
No.
Yeah.
But I'll now pin and look. No one kapeywa. One thing that you must know. Eluthetha kangoku mna noba ngaze kuphathe bani ukuthi akuyaphindwa. Can forget. That's what my body will forget.
Okay.
Zibela skis man.
Yeah, I'm so sorry, man. Yo.
Yeah. Ndiyafuna ingena kodwa lento yes broken heart nyani because I feel like we can avoid it. I feel like we can. Okay, sure.
It's not this one.
Okay, sure. All right.
Time will heal all wounds, and unfortunately, nobody knows how long that time is going to be for you. But we're just glad we could just offer some relief.
Correct. Time, just to add on what you're saying, time and action.
Action if
Really heal. Action, healisha. Trying things and doing things actively in order to heal. You understand?
Got you.
Like Landwa, in order to get over somebody, then talk to someone, you know? No. Hey! Vutiwa man!
I was like, Sukondimo, breathe! Try this one now. Your advices are going out. You've run out of advices.
It's giving uphelelezi advice. Sihle Sixhaso. Even the band. Oh, that took me out.
What does that mean? Nobody knows what it means.
Nobody knows.
But it's provocative.
Yeah,
that's literally the definition of it.
I really enjoyed this episode, and honestly, I love that the Department of Education is doing something about the boy child. Oh, listen, I love the initiative with the men's conference, and it's nice seeing about so many churches are having these. I've attended 2 churches that have these men's conferences, and I love that. Engosi Bandase. Thank you, Sihles. We appreciate that. We appreciate that comment.
It's amazing that more churches are having that. That's really cool.
Yeah, that's really, really cool. So yeah, great initiative. Yeah.
And if Ukangala men's conference Yamanyani, I'm sure if you go on the net and type in men's conference Joburg or Cape Town or wherever, you'll actually be able to find one.
Correct. I wonder if it's gonna officially is wrong.
I don't think so.
Dog, do you know people? Yeah, Nancy warrior. I'm sure it's gonna wrong. And people pay money for your funding toxic masculinity, ba? Because you must remember, for everyone, we are believed by, we are believed by, central,
yeah.
That's wild.
That's scary.
But must in man chance, man, and make sure we try our best to do the right thing.
Even their brand. Thank you. Thank you, Sishle, for that.
Absolutely. _Pex. Guys, the boy child brings
things.
Is nomile ndathi ndiyakwazi ufunda.
Also, you're not giving me a chance anymore.
Sorry. Oh no!
Let me grab this one, young man. Ungcesa Peck says, guys, the boy child thing is so great of a conversation parents need to be serious about as well. Even single mothers need to be empowered to integrate that in their parenting strategy. Oh, that's a tough one, man.
You are. So many things to integrate into a parenting strategy.
Yeah, as a single mother, what are you integrating into your boy's child that they aren't able to get from a father because there's no father?
Yeah, no, that's easier said than done. I think definitely though something worth really sitting and thinking about in terms of the intentionality of it all. I'm not one to speak, but I always like to talk about the intentionality of a whole human being. Chonga, they respect my faith. They respect that too much. That's a lot. But yeah, and get just with great and don comes a great responsibility. You know, let's say
power.
Yeah, it doesn't fit though.
No,
having a child is not power. Ox. But with a great gift comes great responsibility.
Yeah,
the children are a gift in what and that we get given, and it comes with the huge responsibility, huge responsibility, which I really believe, Gemnak, is one of the things that make me believe you can't do it on your own. You do need a higher power there to also assist there and guide and help.
Nomlingani as well.
Nomlingani, yeah, if unfortunately umlingani, it comes back to community. Comes back to surrounding ourselves with the right kind of people.
Yeah, which is ngiparing. Yeah, the sense of community is really failing at the moment.
No.
Yeah, but it's not just because people don't want community, but because things have just gotten so bad that you can't trust your neighbor with your child. Because yes, ngiyakwazi Maki, but I don't know about uzomenza ntoni mntanam. Do you know what I mean? And therefore, then we lock ourselves into our little 65 meter squared places, and then akazokwazi nonqandwa umuntu wasenext door umntana wakhe.
Umfundise le nto uyaziyo nawe.
Umfundise le nto uyaziyo, because you're also trying to protect them, So I don't know, man. Things have just gone to nonsense, honestly.
I think also responsibility is also very much on us to arm ourselves and educate ourselves. I think a lot of the time what ends up happening is that the bad things get passed down because people are not willing to learn new, better ways of doing things. That comes obviously, I think, in the parent-child relationship. It comes in the friends relationship. It comes in the romantic relationships. It comes in the work relationships. It comes in all shapes and forms. I think Nyani is very dangerous land of not being teachable or not wanting to learn.
Yeah, for sure.
Soloko wena kondo ngayaziyo wena.
Yeah.
So it becomes scary. And now if you're going to pass that on to a child as well, then
I guess
it's tickets for everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah, thank you for that. Thank you for that. Definitely food for thought. We appreciate it.
Andile.
Kaibambe.
Andila Banjelihle says, yeah, man, this episode really made me realize that I've been looking at things from the wrong perspective when it comes to being angry at my dad. I was mad at him for being absent and ignoring me, even though his house was just a few steps away from mine. But maybe he didn't have a father figure himself. I expected him to be something he had never seen or experienced in his own life. Still, part of me feels like my anger is valid because I'd see him drunk and yet he couldn't even buy me 50-cent sweets. What matters, though, is learning to choose your priorities wisely. Powerful episode. Thank you, Damzupela and Sister Talita. Oh, what a pleasure.
Salut, Mapega. Salut. Yo.
That's wild.
Hey, guys, this is such a difficult topic. I salute you, Andile, for choosing your piece. I think very often what we tend to miss in being wronged, in feeling wronged and being offended is that it takes away from our peace.
Oh, 100%.
Being angry at this person, sometimes it takes away from our peace. So it really takes some doing to choose yourself. So I think I'm very appreciative of that. But hey. Inzima man into yomntu. Wow!
This is the thing.
Inzima into yomntu.
Because now you don't know the experiences of that person before they had you.
Yeah, but unechuti nomntu lo. No, unechuti.
And how those experiences affected that human being.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of things you don't know, but into yaziyo ba wena iduty yakhe akayenzanga. That's what you know. Do you know what I mean?
Iduty yakhe akayenzanga according to your expectation.
Yeah, according to your expectation.
Yeah.
But you also don't know how broken this person is. And yes, umuntu obekwazi uhamba uyonxila engakuthengeli 50-cent sweet. But who knows what he was, trying to not think about, trying to be not conscious about. And you'll never know, I guess. But I'm just glad that we could have offered you a different perspective, because I feel like that alleviates maybe not the pain, but it alleviates the anger of the situation.
Something, yeah,
it alleviates something. And I'm so grateful that like our conversation could have done that for somebody, because I feel like that's a big thing.
Yeah, that definitely is a big thing, man.
Yeah.
And thank you for sharing that.
Yeah.
I think my belief is that a lot gets released once it comes out of us.
Yeah, for sure.
Whether that's through writing, through talking, or other means. But yeah, thank you for that, man. I'm proud of you.
Yeah, bro.
Proud.
Well done, Andy. You did well. Thank you.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Sivikele mphathiswa. My sister just realized uba uTalita no Zizo Beta are two different people. It gets even funnier when it says She was so convinced about unguzizo ude athi ukuva ngevoice.
I was at a funeral a couple of weeks ago, and this lady was like staring at me the whole time. And so I was helping, so she was also helping, so we were helping set up.
Oh, manekte. Manekte chef,
So obviously also.
Yeah.
You know? And I was like, oh, I know what's coming, you know, it's going to be like a, whatever.
Yeah.
Then she's like, Sisi, when I was in high school, I think she's about my age.
Okay.
So she was like, when I was in school, I had your picture on the back of my geography book or whatever. And I was like, no. I was like, impossible. No, I know, because
it was, I looked at that picture every day. Are you joking?
Daddy told me, I didn't. And she was mad because she was like, excuse me.
Gaslight.
And I was like, no, I promise you it wasn't me, bro.
What a waste of space.
And then then she went and she spoke to a friend of hers, and her friend was, then she came back to me and she was like, Zizo beta. Mina. Yeah? And you could see just like, she was just like, what is going on? Is this not the same person?
Wild.
And I was like, sorry, I get that sometimes, and it's cool. Because I like Zizo, so she's cool.
Yo, yeah. That's crazy.
I know, so wild. Also, like, as funny. Do you know what I mean? We're just Xhosa. That's it. Next.
Yeah, I'm going to come on. That's incredible.
I know, it's wild. And I'm fine now. You're looking at me now, trying to find her in my face. She's not there.
I see sometimes. No, that's. But yeah, I mean, I always take myself as umntu ongakwaziyo ufanisa.
Oh, really?
I'll always say, but yeah, afana ukubona indlela ubani afana nobani kuthanda ngam. Abafani at all ababantu.
Oh, okay.
So
you can't tell anyway.
Yeah, I'm very bad at that.
Yeah, I get mistaken for her a lot in PE.
Really?
Yeah.
That's wild.
I know.
I just always think it's so wild ufaniswa nomuntu ongazalaniyo naye, or you understand that you guys are so far apart. I just find that like the wildest thing.
But about Bayafana, I honestly believe that there's like maybe 10 different types of, let's say, Xhosa people.
Yeah.
Where you're like, Bakona Banje with I don't know, with wide noses and small eyes or whatever. But Ikona Lando, where you're just like, I've seen this prototype before. I feel like Abantu Bayafana in that respect.
Okay.
Yeah. There's like maybe 10 different variations of a face, and you fit into one of them.
Correct. It's shape,
exactly.
Correct.
And others will be closer than others.
Oh, okay.
What?
Ababandu ufaniswa nabo wena, do you think yafana nabo?
No.
Bonke. Ntoni? Akekho ufana naye.
Ukhona engicinga ufana naye, khandi izumutsho babo.
Kamthothomi.
Wena ababantu ufaniswa nabo? Awufani nabo? Awufani noKhulicha?
Hayi njani. Ufana nami. No. And yabona ke nami and completely.
There's something there though. There's a likeness. Not that niyafana, but there's a, if ningathi jeb, there's a likeness, a little.
Ne?
Yeah.
You know, like, I'm just trying to understand, but you guys always address important societal issues in a light-hearted way. You're really doing a great job. Abahlali
took everyone out.
It took me out.
Abahlali took everyone out. I don't know how many times I've watched that video.
No!
Crack up.
Intrakata.
I crack up every time. I was just like, this is funny.
Brand new from the box.
100%, because it's so relatable, especially that video specifically with that word.
Yeah.
You're just like, yes.
This is the problem now. Now you're a weirdo who just in the middle of something, you just let your intrusive thoughts run away with you.
Besibuzwa intrusive thoughts by don't yes close.
You are sisikezo.
I'm so scared. So.
Exciting.
Anyway, I think that's
yeah, but also that, like, I don't know. When I saw that video and I wanted to post it, I was just like, no, man, Zuxui post to no, we're wrong.
It's funny. Hilarious.
But only when you've got the context.
100%, because
outside of context now.
100%, because if you watch the rest of that thing, we literally talk about some really serious stuff straight afterwards.
Yes, we continue with that topic.
Yeah, it was just a bit of a break from the seriousness.
Yeah. No, guys, siyabulela man, ni kapu. Asniva. And yeah, and I think we really try as much as we can to talk about things in the way that we just normally talk about them. So yeah, shout out to Abahlali Basimundi.
Anati Wana says the urge to press the skip button during ads, but remembering bandiceliwe ngubhuti obekekileyo.
No, I got a turning at him back.
Ndinyamezela ndazibukela zonke.
Guys, one thing about me, Tatan was mbekweni. Andiyazi man ndiyithatha phi lonto leyo. Like ndikhule mna sesisemngcwabeni ukuthi abefundisi bazongena endlini iqome ndizaba ngumfundisi xa ndikhula because ndifuna utya iplate negrasi elunch. I don't know. Is it a closer thing?
I think so.
Yasithanda imbeko straight. Inkosi kakhulu man Anathi. Siyabulela man buko bakho buyi oxygen.
Butobeke.
No, uyayiva.
All right, let's see what's next. Laugh with Queen Solo says the boy child is too neglected. For the 19 years that my son has been living in this country, there has been no boy child outreach or enrichment programs.
Sure.
I thank God for our local church that does that work for our teens. All the initiatives are for girls who must coexist as adults with these boys who are left behind.
Yo.
They are left to figure it out for themselves and to the wilderness of the internet. Yo. I also thank God for the men that are in my sphere of influence who also play a good and positive role in our lives. But as for the government, they are dismally failing with investing on the boys. Okay, government. There's lots on the government's plate.
Also, igcwele la plate and incinci side plate. Buffet.
Yeah, true, man. And like, it's amazing that churches are actually taking a role in the situation.
Yes.
I think because it's more than just being a boy. It's also, you know, believing in an entity that helps you in certain ways.
Yeah.
So it's a double strength situation, and that's awesome.
Yeah, I love that. I love the involvement from a church side, and I think Nyani, as time goes, it will also start spreading to then a corporate side, to this side, to this side, or at least that's what we hope for. And I guess it's also conversations like these that kind of help in terms of getting the thinking going. So 100%. All the best with the boy, man.
Queen Solo.
Yeah, and his circle and the environment that you've put him in. So well done on that as well. Shout out to ya. Obey _M. Oh, Tito, I can finally clean the house.
I can just imagine it.
Also, get it right, 26K subscribers. Imagine 100K by December.
Wow.
From your lips to God's ears.
Hallelujah.
Party in the Eastern Cape, mind you. I'm Tswana from Bloem, but I will be there. Look at me making plans for a party. That's not happening. Also, the intro. Zuko is a YouTuber now. I'm done now. Let's listen and clean the house. Thanks. Love you. Bye.
She was like, all my thoughts are going in this place. And then to just go clean now. Thanks, Opay, for that. That was super sweet. 26K subscribers for real. Invitani, nani,
Yeah.
ningadino.
Masam. You don't learn about Zuko's a YouTuber now. Been a YouTuber for the past 3 years.
Kaloku la intro for nini.
Bisini.
Like, subscribe, share,
Oh,
turn on the bell. Kabona ke tofangap. That was you last week. Uzilibele.
But I'm being intentional about my journey. Dope stuff. Yeah, I am a YouTuber now. I've realized, but it's not for vibes anymore. China, my man means Mali Muslim. Nah, what about me? Yeah.
Thanks for your comment, OBA.
Yeah. No, thank you so much.
It's over.
That's it for the comments. Thank you guys once again. What an emotional roller coaster, man.
Yeah, man. For sure.
Yeah.
We really love your comments, guys, honestly. And it's almost like people are getting better at commenting.
No, you know what I think it is? I think people are getting like incentivized by us reading it. So now it feels like it matters and you're not just throwing words into a deep dark hole. So I think that's really, really cool.
Which is cool.
Because Genyan, people always have things that they're thinking and always have things that they want to say. So shout out, man, guys. You guys.
Well done, guys. You did well.
Yeah, you guys are carrying the show, man.
Yeah, literally.
You guys are carrying the show. All on your thumbs. Right. Super wild.
This is Onbona again next week, Ningadinwa, and we'll read your comments again next week, and we'll see you again another time. Mhlambi sanibona 15 banye benu.
Yeah, I know, 100%. Looking forward to it. Thank you so much, guys. Be good or be good at it.
Don't forget.
Love each other.
Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.